DoorDash 2020, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, Mr. JR Breakthrough. Triple Diamond Wells in the building. Sorry, that's actually my intro for my network marketing company. I just wanted to cut a real quick intro video to DoorDashing in 2020. I'm new to the whole movement. I've seen DoorDash has been, I think, around for the last 2 years now. So there's a lot that I want to touch on. As a full-time entrepreneur, I do work from home, and I decided kind of some insights as to why I started up this DoorDash movement. I decided, since I have all the time in the world, I do what I want when I want kind of deal, building a network marketing company, I was like, well, why not do something on the side, right? To kind of push time as my kids are in school. And I stumbled upon this thing called DoorDash. Now, me personally, I just absolutely love food. And so to find that I could actually get paid picking up food and delivering it to people was just the coolest thing to me, right? And here's why. It allows me to go to different locations and see the type of restaurants I haven't been to. And so I've been part of this DoorDash movement for the last 2 weeks. And I can tell you this, I've made a little bit over $1,100 doing it part-time, just cruising around my local area. I just found it to be really cool. So I want to go a little bit more in depth, right? I don't want to make this video too long, as I'm actually going to be going out and cruising here in about 2 hours. It's 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, PM, my time. I'm on the West Coast, and I just literally selected a time from 12 to 2 a.m. and this is a peak time. So peak time for me right now is $2 added onto each order. And that's stuff that I'll go into. If you guys are brand new to DoorDash, you've never done it, maybe you're just finding DoorDash kind of deal, I'm definitely going to go more into this movement, because again, as an entrepreneur, I'm looking at it just a little bit different than the type of videos that I found with people doing this DoorDash video marketing kind of deal. What I'm doing is, one, connecting with more DoorDash people to help them check out my network marketing company so that they can put more money into their pocket while they're cruising around. I'm actually working on a system for that. And then two, I'm also looking at the algorithm that DoorDash uses, right? How do they select different dashers to go to different orders? That's something that I'm looking into. I have a really good rating. Everything is 100%. My customer service rating, I think, is like 4.89. Again, there's things that I'm working on, but again, I've only been part of this for, actually, I haven't even been in it 2 weeks. Today is Monday. Today is Monday, March 9th. 2020 as I'm making this video, and on Wednesday, which would make it March 11th, that would be my exact 2-week day. So to this day, I've made over $1,100 with DoorDash. And there's some really cool things that I've been able to do, some really cool ways I've been able to finesse restaurants so that I could get my orders faster. I've used some really cool tactics to keep my food extremely hot. I've done some things to increase my tips. I've done some really cool things, and I want to share those with you guys to help you get the most out of this DoorDash. If this is something you want to make your job, your business, your career, because it actually could turn out to being something big going into, the next few years, with people getting into the more casual life where it's like, hey, let me just place an order and then somebody can go and sit in the line if they want, or drive around, waste their gas, or whatever. It is becoming a really big deal, and the trend is starting to peak, and I really want to share the best ways that I'm finding success so that you can get success as well. So with no further ado, definitely hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you have not just as of yet got with DoorDash, definitely click the link, check out my link, and take advantage of this really cool deal. And with that said, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye for now.